along as we make a fake and bake Slizzard cup. Here is what we need for supplies. We have a cleaned out Slizzard cup, a tube, some cardboard, scissors, and some paint. We're gonna put that tube and the cardboard in there with some glue, pat it down, get it nice and ready to fill in that bottom for when we apply our spackle. So, of course, then we need spackle. We have paint, we have something to stir with, preferably the plastic knife. And this is actually chips that I made from Razzo. I believe it's made by Total Boat. Now it's time to mix everything together. I add the paint, some of the spackle. I put some chips in there just for volume, but you're not really going to see them once you mix it. And once you start mixing it, it gets pretty smooth, even though it's still tacky, as you see. I couldn't do it one-handed. I needed 2 hands and someone else to help me film so you could see it smooth like butter going that cup.